What's up, guys? You are watching Set Technologies, and today our topic is about Instagram. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like my video. So let's go to the topic. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. So here we go to the Instagram, and simply you just scroll down, and here we go, creator tools and controls. And the first one is the add a payments. You just tap on the add a payments, add a new payments method with the Facebook. Here we go to the continue, review Facebook account that you were using. And here we are, prepare the funds. If you want to add a funds, you just tap on the funds and you just write your amount here. If you want $100, $20, $10, $5, how much you want, you just type it here and add a payment method. Then you press OK, and here you have your payment method, debit or credit card. You just put information and then your credit will be added in your account. So that's how that simply you add funds in your Instagram. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like.